Standard 5 Maths Chapter number 30 Ways to multiply and divide. Here in your textbook one story is given of Maniratnam the cashier. Maniratnam is the cashier of the King Jayan. His job is to find out the salary of all the people who work for the king. King के लिए जो काम करता है उसकी सैलरी करने का काम मणिरत्नम का था. That is why they call the cashier. This chart shows how much salary each person gets. I prepared here. Minister gets rupees 195 per day. This salary, this amount is written for per day. Horse rider will get 76 rupees per day, and cook will get 65 rupees per day. Now Maniratnam wanted to calculate the salary of the cook for the month of January. Month of January, he wanted to cook. He wanted to calculate the salary of cook. Cook की salary calculate करनी है, and each month, that is the month of January. Now this is for Maniratnam. How he is calculate? This chapter is about multiplication and division. Different ways are there to multiply and divide. Okay, here we will learn two methods of multiplication. First, that is the Maniratnam's method, and second method, that Tela. She is Maniratnam's daughter. First, we will learn the Maniratnam's way, how he is calculate the salary of cook of month of January. Now another thing, month of January has how many days? January has 31 days, and cook's salary is 65 rupees per day. So we can write here 1 day is equal to rupees 65. 1 day he is getting 65 rupees. We have to find out for 31 days. 31 day कितने? This is must. 1 day is equal to 65 rupees. यानी कि cook is getting 65 rupees per day salary. 31 days यानी कि we have to find out January month. For January month, 31 days is equal to how many? Now we will do the reciprocal. 31 will go up and 1 will go down. Is equal to जगह पे multiplication and 65. This both terms in one line. So what we have to do? Multiplication. Another thing, for one value is given and we have to find for more values. That time we will do the multiplication. एक day की salary आती है. We have to find for 31 days. So simply we will do the multiplication. Now let's start the method of Maniratnam. We have to multiply 31 by 65. 31 multiplied by 65. So what we will write? 60. 60 के part करेंगे. 60 plus 5. We will make two parts of 60. Another thing, 31. So we will make a part of 31. 30 plus 1 and 60. 60 plus 5. Like this we will make a part. 65 multiplied by 30. So first we will start from ones place. Here first we will start from ones place. It is 1. One digit है, so we will put here 1 0 and we start from 3. एक digit है, so we will write 1 0. 3 5 are 50. 5 here and 1 is getting forward. 65 are multiply 3 से करना है. 3 5 are 50. 1 is carrying forward. 6 3 are 18 and 1 19. Okay. 3's turn is over. Now whose turn? 1's turn. Now 1 का turn है. 1 के बाजू में कोई नंबर है, राइट साइड कोई नंबर है, जितने डिजिट है उतने 0 रखो. We started from 3. अब 3 के राइट साइड में कितने डिजिट थे? Only 1 digit. So we put here 1 0. Now 1's turn. 1 after that right side any number is here? No number. So we will not write any 0. Now 65 multiplied by 1. 5 ones are 5 and 6 ones are 6. Now what we have to do? Addition. 0 plus 5 5. 6 plus 5 11. 9 and 1 10. 1 and 1 2. See, both answer is same. So this both method you can use. This is the Maniratnam's method and this one is the Pela's method. Now again Maniratnam. Bhanu tried to find the salary of a minister for the month of January. भानु है, उसको मिनिस्टर की सैलरी फाइंड करनी है जनवरी मंथ. सो व्हाट इज द सैलरी ऑफ मिनिस्टर? ₹195 एंड जनवरी मंथ दैट इज ₹31. Bhanu tried different method. Minister's salary of 1 Now fourth turn is over. Next turn, sixth turn. 32 multiplied by 6. 6 after right side any digit is there? No. 6 के right side में कोई digit नहीं है, so we will not write any 0. 6 2s are 12. 2 is here. 1 is carried forward. 6 3s are 18 and 1 19. Now next what we will do? We will add this both number. 2 plus 0 2. 9 plus 8 9 and 9 18. So it is 70. एक कम है. 1 is carried forward. 2 and 1 3 and 1 4 and 1. So 32 multiplied by 46 we have product. Answer of multiplication is called product. 1472. Now let's do this second number. 67 multiplied by 18. With same thing we have to do with the Bela's method. Bela started from 1. So first step 67 multiplied by 1. 1 के बाद राइट साइड में कितने डिजिट है? 1 डिजिट. So 67 का मल्टीप्लाई किससे करना है? 10 से करना है. ओके, we'll start from here. So यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है. So पहले देखना है राइट साइड में कोई डिजिट है? Yes. How many digit? 1 digit. So for that we will write 1 0. 1 7s are 7 and 6 1s are 6. Same thing 67 10s are 670. Next 8's turn. Here 67 multiplied by 8. 8 after any digit is there? No. 8 के right side में कोई digit नहीं है. So we will not write any 0. Let's start here. 8 7s are 56. 56. Next 8 6s are 48. 48 plus 5. 8 7s are 56. 6 is here. 5 is carried forward. Then 8 6s are 48. 48 plus 5. 48 के अंदर 5 ऐड करना है. What is the answer? 53. 48 से 49, 50, 51, 52 and 53. So we will write here 53. We add these two digits and 6 plus 0 6. 7 plus 3 10. 1 is carrying forward. 5 plus 1 6 6 and 6 12. So our product is 1206. Next, page number 172. Shantaram is special cook. Shantaram is a special cook who comes only on party days. Last year, he was called for only 28 days. And for each day, he has to be paid rupees 165. Okay? For each day, one day rupees 165. Find out how much money he will get in all. And if he is called for all day of the year. All day of the year. 1 year has how many days? 1 year has 365 days. How much salary will he get? So here, one day he is getting rupees 165. We have to find for the whole year. Day दिया है, so we will convert year into days. So 1 year has 365 days. Is equal to how many? This is for what? You can tell that we have to do multiplication or division. But it is a very simple thing that one value is given and we have to find for more value. That time we will do the multiplication. For 1 day, salary of 1 day is given and it is rupees 165. We have to find for 1 year for 365 days. We have to find for more days. So what we will do? We will multiply. So let's multiply rupees 165 multiplied by 365. Here we will start from 1's place. 1's place से start करते हैं. 165 का multiply. here and 3 is carrying forward. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 के अंदर 3 ऐड करो 7 and 9. 6 टर्न इज ओवर. 6 का 165 से मल्टीप्लाई हो गया. अगेन 165 का मल्टीप्लाई किससे आया? 3 से. लेट्स राइट 165 multiplied by 3. Now we will multiply with this. So 3 के बाद how many digits are here? After 3 at right side 1 and 2 digits. So we will multiply it with 300. Same thing we'll do here. We'll start from 3, but after 3 at right side 2 numbers are there, 2 digits are there. So for that we will put 2 zeros and then we will start 3's multiplication. 3 5s are 15. 5 is here. 1 is carried forward. 6 3s are 18 and 1 19. 9 is here. 1 is carried forward. 3 1s are 3 and 1 4. Once again let's check. We'll start from 3. So after 3 at right side 2 digits. So for 2 digits we kept here to 0. Then we'll start 3 5s are 15. 1 is carried forward. 3 6s are 18 and 1 19. 9 is here. 1 is carried forward. 3 1s are 3 and 1 4. What we will do? We will add this all numbers. 5 plus 0 5. 2 plus 0 2. 8 plus 9 17. And 17 plus 5 is 22. 2 is here. 2 is carrying forward. 9 and 9 18 plus 2 it is 20 and 4 plus 2 6. So rupees 60,225. Santaram is special book. He will get 60,225 for 1 year for 300